Right, quickly show where you go to reset the adaptions for your sensors on the Freelander 1. So I'm currently using a Launch X431 Master, but I'm pretty sure most of the X431 launch diagnostics would do the same. So you have to choose your latest data software for the Land Rover. Just wait for it to sort itself out a minute. The issue I was having with I've got a 2004 Freelander TD4. My MAF failed on it back in the summer. I replaced the MAF and it just never ran properly. It'll get to maybe 1500 RPM and it's like someone hitting the brake. All power just went. It wouldn't run. This is even with a new MAF fitted. You could also sit on the spot with the engine ticking over. You can try and rev it and it made no difference, it wouldn't rev. So I got told that you can set the parameters for the MAF you can either use Launch, I think Autel will do it as well, and there's a couple of Land Rover specific ones that will do the same. Luckily I managed to borrow this off of a friend to reset. I've already reset mine. I had to clear a load of codes because obviously all the readings and that were wrong. It threw up a lot of codes, and then I reset the adaptions for the MAF, which it now runs properly. But yeah, I'll choose the the model Freelander 97 2006. It's a TD4. Yeah, that's connected. Right, whilst it connects. Right, read trouble codes. I have no trouble codes at the moment because I have cleared them all. I did this about 3 days ago and I've not had any codes come back up. But there is where you reset the adaptions. And that's what it will do. It will reset the settings for your airflow sensor and everything. Hopefully this helps.